So, it's
Oh, this is
half
good
past
snap.
11 and we arrived at Turunc, which is the next little town from Ishmila. And that's our pirate boat.
Is that toilet?
अच्छा जा गया. So yeah, this is the place I wanted to come. One of the places.
Look, Primark. Primark. Oh, TK man. Football top, 5 for those one. Look, mama, get all your colours. Football shirt. 5 to 10 quid. Cheap, man.
So we had a swim, refreshing swim, and walking down the street. Turunç Bazaar or Maze Adarjugorda. See what's in Turunç Bazaar. Okay.
You are his brother, man.
Oh.
Uncle, you are the best shot.
Huh?
You are the best shot.
Which is it?
Ice water 5 minutes. Only 5. Ice cream 10 minutes. Come on, have a look.
Ice cream. We'll just try.
Uncle, come here, hold it.
Oh, Migros.
Aman sen. Almayacağım. Aman.
Hey, it's like you on the cheap Migros. What's the car? What's the car behind you?
What's the car? The car to watch it, so.
I know, but you should be careful. Oh, India Kuntana.
Can't really go further.
Drink and tiny now. How can I get high?
Drink.
Habibi.
I had one, but thank you, bro. No, please, Sasha.
Anatolia Organic Health and Beauty Products. So we're just in the little town centre of Turunç, walking around. Yeah, we just go down this way. Vicky, nice little boat. Oh, the Arzu Garden Kebab House. Naim, right here, right now, right here. Tanasin Kungan, Pop by Slim. Star Donna. Yeah, that looks alright. Star Donna. Okay. Hey, oh Habibi, Janokita koi, welcome to Dubai. There's a shaving place there. Addresses. Hey, Turunç taki kunta ni thaini pe gift shop ase. So the time is 12:30. We have to get to the boat at 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna pop into this gift shop before we get to the boat.
King Golden Diamond.
না বে ওখানে একটা gift shop আছে next to that. Yeah, বে Turunc gift shop. Turunc gift shop. Are you coming in here? Aitin, do you want to have a look? Just can I have a look? So this is the gift shop. Paris gift shop. Paris stuff. Very nice. I take that one, brother.
Okay.
You give me in box, please.
I don't have a box, but I can wrap it for you.
Yeah, wrap it for me because they're going to England. So at the Turunc gift shop, just got some little gift fridge magnet just to get a memory of Turunc. Okay, thank you, my brother. Thank you. Okay. Let's head back. Abi zota ki grammar bazar kurum nahi. So it's typical in it. You buy something a little expensive and then just around the corner you find it cheaper. So I spent 60 on this gift, and we found 4 for 20, which is a smaller one. On this side is quiet.
Mama, you might get in the water here.
Yeah, we are.
I need to one myself.
Well, I'm going to take it out. So I had a quick strip, just driving myself out. Exactly. That's the reason I got it anyway. So we can say I'm got Turunc. Turunc ya hatraisi. Thank you.
Turunc. I know you don't keep saying Turunc, like Turunc ball from Matilda's.
Nah, be. Is of Turkish, but I quite just you have to ask a local like me.
You are the tourist, eh?
Yeah, you can ask Zagan nam Turunc. Anyway, let's head back and we get our lunch.
I see the cook table. Uncle gave a 1-star review when he's ready. Pizza shop. Yeah, like Shabby Ashabari there. But this guy's proper serious, eh?
Kita, what did I say?
He gave this place 1-star. Proper thingy.
Listen,
Discount, I was like,
food was cheap, quality is okay, free delivery, but they take the piss delivering. They say 1 hour, 2 hours later, your phone, and they're like, yeah, we're nearly there, we're nearly there. Okay? So then he goes, yeah, we're nearly there, oh, it's around the corner. Do you go there, man? Yeah, I mean, imagine people when you get a takeout, you want to eat, innit? Fair enough,
yeah.
1 hour wait, like max, but 2 hours is taking the mick. And it was a weekday, off-peak time. Anyway, the shop, Toby's buddy's in that shop. Works in it.
which one? Which body? We need to get a seat. Oh yeah, Bundesliga. Huh?